Hello and welcome to Tech Gadgets. Today I'm going to show you Epson color printer. You can scan it and you can copy it, and it's an all-in-one printer. The model number is L361. I have purchased it in Amazon. So right now we are unboxing this printer, and you can see what are the features available in this printer. A print speed is up to in black and white and color, that is 33 to 15 ppm, and you can print a resolution of 1200 into 600 dpi, and for colors also you can print up to 5760 into 1440 dpi. And there are a lot of features. You can see for black you can get 4500 pages of bottle ink, and for color it is less. So let's unbox and see what they are given. So let's unbox it now. So once we open the box, we can see the CD over here. This is a booklet and the CD inside, and there is a cable. So, and it's packed in thermocol. I will just unbox it and I will let you know. And there is a color also. So these are the things, color available. So this is how the printer looks like, and they have provided 4 colors with this, and you can see these are the colors. That is magenta, and this one is cyan, and there is a black color option, black, and this one is yellow. So these are the 4 colors they have given with this printer. So as we all know, with this 4 colors only, the printer will start printing different images and colors. So we have not done the setup right now. So this is the initial opening. What we have got in the box is the cable, which we have inserted into the socket, and we have got a user manual and the CD as well. And we have got a USB cable to connect it with the computer. So by that, by connecting it to the computer, we can just give some sample prints. So after connecting everything, I will make another video. By that, you people will understand how to use this Epson all-in-one printer. Thank you.